You've probably heard the phrase, if it's free, then you're the product. But what if that's not even close to the truth? What if you're not the product, but the labor? Right now, millions of us are working full-time jobs, and we don't even realize it. Not in an office, not in a factory, but inside apps, scroll by scroll, tap by tap. Welcome to the invisible gig economy, the one where you're the worker and the boss doesn't even pay you. Let's break it down. When you open a free app, whether it's social media, a camera filter, or a fitness tracker, you're entering a data contract. But you didn't sign it with a pen. You signed it with your behavior. Every like, every pause, every moment you spend on screen is turned into something valuable, and someone else is cashing in on it. Now imagine if TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook hired you to generate engagement 8 hours a day. That's what's actually happening. Except you don't get a paycheck. You give them labor, they give you dopamine. The currency of this world is attention. And in this world, your job is to keep people addicted, whether you mean to or not. Let's take social media. You post a picture, you tag friends, you reply to comments. Sounds fun, right? But each action feeds the algorithm more data. It makes the platform smarter, stickier, more addictive. In return, it rewards you with visibility, likes, tiny hits of digital validation. It's a behavioral feedback loop, and it's no accident. You're training the AI, and the AI is training you. Now multiply this by billions of users. Suddenly, the world's biggest companies have access to a workforce more powerful than anything history has ever seen. And they're not paying minimum wage, they're paying zero. But it goes deeper. These platforms don't just use your content, they use your patterns. They know when you're most tired, most impulsive, most likely to buy something you don't need. Free apps are behavioral gold mines. They collect data in real time: location, Face ID, pupil dilation, thumb speed, sleep cycles, even how hard you tap the screen. And this isn't just for ads. This is to shape your decisions. Ever wonder why a shopping ad appears seconds after a conversation? It's not just listening, it's predicting. Welcome to predictive capitalism, where the future isn't sold, it's harvested from you in advance. So, are you the user, or are you being used? Let's talk about AI. Every post you make helps train large language models. Your writing style, your opinions, your jokes. You're contributing to machines that will one day replace the need for your work. And it's not just adults. Children are being trained into this system before they even understand what privacy means. Face filters map their expressions. Educational games log their learning styles. This is a lifetime of behavioral data, starting from age 5. But what can we do? Delete everything? Go live in the woods? Not quite. It starts with awareness. Understanding that every digital interaction has value, and that value is being extracted. Maybe it's time we flip the model. What if we owned our data? What if our digital labor was protected, taxed, and compensated? What if the next generation of apps didn't just take, but gave back? Because make no mistake, your time is not free, your attention is not free. Your patterns, your behavior, your influence, these are the new oil. And in the age of AI and algorithms, you're not just a user, you're a worker, a digital laborer. And the sooner we see that, the sooner we can start asking for something in return. Maybe not a paycheck, but at least a choice.